Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video. I did pick this up from eBay. It is an item for the 1997 4Runner 4x4, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. I did pick this up from eBay. It came from 801 Pullers on eBay. This is a item for the interior for a 1997. 96 and 98 Toyota 4Runner. It technically would be a limited edition piece with the wood grain. So this box is 11 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide by 17 inches long by 13 3/8 inches deep or tall. What do you guys think it is? I kind of gave you guys a hint on it being wood grain, which there's a lot of stuff in those in those vehicles that are wood grain. It will not fit a 99 or a 2000, and it will not fit a 2001 or a 2002. It is only for 96, 97, and 98 because their interior was different back then. Most of the exterior is the same though between all years, other than the bumper on 96, 97, and 98 changed. The cargo cover, you know, as another example, are different colors for the 96, 97, and 98. 96, 97, and 98. The cargo area was actually a dark chocolate for the limiteds, which is oak brown, or mocha is what I call it. When you get to the 99 and 2000s, that's when you get the oak beige, which is the creamy, I wouldn't call it tan because it's not brown. It's like a creamy grayish, a creamy tan, I guess. Tan's usually a brown mixed with cream and a couple other colors. It's more or less oak beige is kind of like a sandy color, but I digress. What do you guys think is in the box? Just a quick video. We'll do the unboxing next. I'll show you guys that, and then this item I will show you guys on the bench a comparison between a 2000 of the same item. But I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!